Alright, so today we're going to do 21 to 25. For all positive integers, x, y, and z, which of the following expressions is equivalent to x over y? So essentially in this problem we want to see how things cancel out. Well, x squared over y squared, that's not going to work because the x's don't cancel out and the y's don't cancel out. So b is out. Here, the x's cancel out and the y's cancel out, giving us 1. This is out. C is out. Here we have a different problem. X minus z over y minus z. This is essentially the same as saying x over y minus 1 or minus z over z. This is and this e over here is the same thing as saying x over y plus 1, right? Well, you can tell that these are wrong because you can't cancel out anything. So D and E are both wrong. And the only answer that's left is A, and we can check it because you can cancel out the z's over here, and that leaves us x over y. So the answer is A. What is the slope-intercept form of 8x minus y minus 6 equals 0? So let's just remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Or it could be y equals mx minus b in case b is negative. So let's just write it this way. 8x minus y minus 6 equals 0. Well, that means 8x minus y equals 6. This is the standard form of linear equations, and you could technically figure out that the slope is negative a over b, also, which is known here as 8. But we're just gonna do the old-fashioned way, and we're just gonna solve it. So negative y equals negative 8x plus 6. And then we're going to divide this by negative 1, so y equals 8x minus 6. 8x minus 6. So this should be the correct answer, H. Okay. This can get a little tiring. Which of the following is a solution to the equation x squared minus 36x equals 0? I'm going to show you guys a neat trick to this. Which of the following is a solution to the equation x squared minus 36x equals 0? all you got to do is factor. So we got x squared minus 36x equals 0. X times x minus 36 equals 0. So the two solutions over here that we're given is x equals 0 or x equals 36, because x minus 36 equals 0. When we solve for that, we get x equals 36. So B is the correct answer, 36. Sorry, cut off a little bit of the other question, but it doesn't really matter. For the right triangle RST shown below, what is tan R? So what we have over here is angle R over here, angle R. Remember, tangent equals opposite over adjacent. Tangent is the opposite side over the adjacent side. So in this case, the adjacent side is T, and the opposite side is R. So tan of angle, capital R, equals the opposite, or lowercase r, over lowercase t. R over t, that's G. The final one for this tutorial today is here. A chord 24 inches long is 5 inches from the center of a circle, as shown below. What is the radius of the circle to the nearest tenth of an inch? Well, if you look at this figure here, 24 is split in half, so you can count this as a 12 from here to here. And this over here is a triangle. All of this space over here is a triangle. So the way we get this is we use Pythagorean theorem. 12 squared plus 5 squared equals r squared. And in order to find r, we do square root r equals square root of 12 squared plus 5 squared. You could calculate that on a calculator, but you can actually do this in your head. This is simply 13 because 12 squared is 144 plus 25 is 169, and when you find the square root of that, you get 13. So the answer is D. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please join me for my next one.